welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to make this solid granny triangle. For this video I'm using 100% cotton yarn and I'm using the color silver beige, and I'll be using a 3mm hook. So to begin with, we are going to make a magic ring. So for that we are going to make an X on our fingers, and we are going to make a slip knot. So here we have made a magic ring, and now we are going to make a cluster of 4 double crochets. Like we're going to make 2 clusters of 4 double crochet. So now we are going to chain 3, and this chain 3 will be counted as our first double crochet. We'll just pull that strand to make our ring smaller, and now we are going to make a double crochet in that ring. So as we do it in the solid granny square, we are going to make the same clusters over here. We're going to make 2 more double crochets in that same ring. So here is our 3rd double crochet, and we're going to make 1 more double crochet in the ring. Now we have made our first cluster of 4 double crochets, and now we are going to chain 2. This chain 2 will create our edge, and now we're going to make another 4 double crochets in that same ring. So this is our first double crochet. Then we'll make a second one. And now we're going to make a 3rd one. And the last one. So after making 2 clusters of 4 double crochets, we are going to pull that strand, tighten nice. So you can see that a triangle has started to form. As we'll move on to the next rows, it will be much better. So now we are going to chain 3. This chain 3 will again be counted as our first double crochet, and now we're going to turn around our work. And in the very first stitch, right after the chain 3, we are going to make 2 double crochets. So we'll make a double crochet in the chain right next to it, and now we are going to make another double crochet in that same stitch. So this is going to be our increase, and now we're going to make a double crochet on top of each stitch. So we'll have 3 more double crochets. This is our second, and this is going to be our 3rd double crochet. And now in that chain 2 space, we are going to make 2 double crochets. So this is our first double crochet, and now we're going to make another double crochet in that chain 2 space. And now we are again going to chain 2. So this is again going to be our edge of the triangle, and we'll make 2 more double crochets in that chain 2 space. So for a triangle, we have to increase it from both the sides, like from the edge and from both the sides. And now we're going to make 1 double crochet on top of each stitch for the next 3 stitches. So this is our second stitch, and now the 3rd one. And now we'll be left with 1 more stitch. So in our last stitch we are going to make 3 more double crochets. So in the last stitch over there, we are going to make 3 double crochets, so that will be our increase. This is our first double crochet and our second double crochet in the same stitch, and we will make another double crochet in that exact same stitch. Now that we have done our second row, you can see that our triangle is forming. Now we will move on to our row 3. For our row 3, we are going to chain 3 again. So this chain 3 is obviously going to be our first double crochet, and in the next stitch we are going to make 2 double crochets. So this is our first double crochet in the same stitch, and we'll make another in the same stitch. So this is again going to be the increase. Now we are going to make 1 double crochet in each of the stitches, and in the chain 2 space we are again going to make 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 2 double crochets, and again on another side we are going to make 1 double crochet on top of each stitch, and in the last stitch we are going to make 3 double crochets, and we are going to keep doing this exact same thing till we reach the desired size of our granny triangle. Now I am at the end of our third row and I'm left with 1 stitch right over there, and I'm going to make 3 double crochets in that last stitch. So this is our first double crochet, and we'll make another double crochet in that last stitch, and a third one now. So this is how our granny triangle should look like. I'm going to add on more rows in this because I want my granny triangle to be bigger. For the next row, we are again going to chain 3. So this is 1, 2 and 3. This chain 3 will be counted as our first double crochet. We are going to turn around our work and we are going to make 2 double crochets in that last stitch. So this is our first double crochet, and we'll make another double crochet in that exact same stitch. And now you know the drill. 1 double crochet in each stitch, and in the chain 2 space we're going to make 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 2 double crochets, again 1 double crochet on top of each stitch, and in the last stitch we're going to make 3 double crochets. So now I'm going to continue doing this, and I'll see you once I'm done with my granny triangle. So this is how our granny triangle should look like. Thanks for watching my video. If you do like my video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Happy crocheting!